Something that really bothers me about trading is whenever you put a trade in, it just immediately goes in the opposite direction. You know what I mean? Like market knows exactly where you enter and it just does the opposite. Either the market is out to get us or we know the exact point in time when the price is going to reverse. But every single time you trade, but before we get into the chart talk, welcome back to the channel, man. I know it's been a while. I haven't been dropping those videos. I've been moving around the world, starting businesses, getting this office complete. As you can see, it is finally finished. I will be doing a video on like that whole transition from what it looked like in the beginning to where it is now. It's actually pretty crazy on the amount of work that me and my dad did to build this out. Um, you can see we got some artwork here, some inspiration, some aspirations. Going to put a few more pieces up soon. I have them over here. I just need to hang them up. But yeah, let's go ahead and hop into this video. I want to show y'all a trade that we took in the inner circle today. We made some great money. We actually been killing it in the inner circle. I haven't been recording the trades that we've been taking, but I will go over one that we took today. And I think pretty much everybody who was on the live call, we actually took it live because we do live calls every morning. Juvier and myself, we are in there pretty much all day, every day, helping lots of people make money. So yeah, let's get right into that. All right, so cool. We are on the chart. So this is a trade that we took today that we're going to go over. Keep in mind, this is playback or replay, whatever you want to call it, just so everybody's aware. So they're like, "Ooh, no, I see playback over here in the corner," or you know how people on the internet talk, right? So anyway, let's play this. So the open is here. This is one strategy that we do inside the inner circle, which works very well. Um, it is like what I call it, the daily strategy, right? So we draw these lines. These pink lines right here that you see on the chart, they are based on the daily chart, which that looks crazy right now, but just bear with me. So all these other lines don't mean anything. Just look at the day before. It's the pink lines, the open, high, low, close of the day before, right? All right, cool. So open is 9:30, which is this blue line that I drew on the chart. Disregard this blue line here. That is for another video. People inside the inner circle, you know what that blue line is, right? All right, so cool. We are 5 minutes into the open. So we see that it's sort of consolidating right here. So this is where we would look to draw our chop box, and we always try to target these daily lines right here, which is we have one right here which would have been yesterday's close, and this one would have been yesterday's high. So this is good. This is exactly what we kind of want to see: consolidation right before the open, and then we just try to target um our level right here. So now keep in mind the chop box, the rules are when it breaks, you actually target the previous high or previous low, depending on which direction you're going. Or you could target the daily. Since this is the daily strategy, then we are just targeting the daily. And that's what we're going to do. So for this, I use limit orders. I don't use market orders. I'm not a market order trader. Even with my other strategies that I have, I always do limit orders. So this works out well for people who are limit order traders because we can do like this, right? We want to place our buy right here. So we have it already set. So when price breaks out of this box, we enter the trade at a good price. So market order traders, you can get in as well, but there may be some slippage here and there if you have to just hit like buy once you kind of eyeball it when it breaks out of the chop box like this. But limit order, you kind of get in at a better price. So yeah, let's speed this up And if price breaks below it, technically you could take the sell, but the other daily lines, which are the pink lines, are way down there, right? So we are targeting these lines right here because the market kind of needs what I like to call fuel before it makes a big move. And there's always a lot of fuel, aka orders, around these daily levels. So around these daily levels, I like to think that if you're trading on, like, let's say the 1 minute or the 5 minute, that's going to be the highest time frame we can actually use on a day-to-day basis, trading on those time frames. That's just my opinion. So those are very strong levels which we could take advantage of. So let's continue to play this. The open is in a few seconds. We have our order in place, so it's right above the box, like right above, right? So we are just looking for a break above at the open, which is now. So our order is in, and we just adjust our take profit and our stop loss. So the way the chop box works, or how I like to use it, is I place my target wherever I'm targeting, which is for this strategy, it's going to be at the daily level or at previous swing high or low, depending on which direction you're going. And the opposite side is going to be your stop loss. That's for every trade. This trade happened very quickly. I think we took profit like maybe 2 minutes after the open. As you can see, there's a lot of momentum. This is, I guess, kind of risky for a lot of people to take trades at the open. That's why we don't over leverage or anything like that. So I know before in the title or in the intro, I was saying something that kind of doesn't seem right with the market. You enter a trade and it goes the opposite direction every time. So this kind of puts me at ease. This is my solution. I will, for this strategy, I will place my trade in, break of the chop box like this, and just kind of leave it. Let it play out. Let it win or lose. We are managing our risk, and we have a good indication of where the market's trying to go because there is a daily level above, which I've done a lot of back testing on this, and the market likes to go to those daily levels like pretty much every day. There are a few days where it doesn't. Those are usually the big trending days or big news days. But for the most part, yeah, it does this on a regular basis. So we'll just let this play out. It's not going to be much longer, I know, because we took it this morning. This one was about, let's see, 570. So that's what we made this morning. Some people made more, I want to say, because they actually held it to here, which is the rules of a chop box, to target a previous swing low or high, which we just went over. Or you could target another daily, which is above that, and there is another swing at that point as well. Or this is an unmitigated daily level, which means at this level right here, used to be pink on a previous day because we marked it up. We changed this every day. And this point or this level wasn't touched during the New York session. So what I like to do is just leave it on the chart, change the color of it so I know that it's there. I know that it's a strong level. And then whenever you have trending days or the market's going whichever direction, right? We have something to target. If we see a setup that's valid and we need something to target, these are good indications on what you could target on those type of days. So this one should be hitting this TP here pretty soon. But yeah, we do this every day on the live calls in the inner circle. Okay, we just took target right there. And you can see here on that trade, we would have made around 570 bucks, right? So we do this every day on the live calls. We go over a lot of different things. Juvier is really great trader. He goes over his analysis, and then we just kind of, chill, open the floor up for questions, comments, concerns, things like that. But the main thing is we're in there learning from each other, whatever the case is, and making money as well. Now we do take some losses, of course. Every trader is going to have some losses. That's just part of trading. But as long as you're managing your risk, and not stressing too much, you can deal with your emotions, things like that. Trading can be very life changing. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Again, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but I will strive to at least put out, a few videos a week on the trades that we take, win or lose, because it's all about learning, right? And being transparent. That's very important whenever you're trying to produce content like this. So, in the meantime, if you are interested in joining the inner circle, there will be a link down in the description. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff as usual. I know you see the pop-ups along the video, but it does let me know that you all do enjoy the content and that you want to see more of it. So catch you on the next one. See you next time.